In this video I want to give a good video review on another Forex book, and this Forex book is called Secrets of Forex Millionaires. It's by Yeo Keong Hee, hope I pronounced that correctly, and it's forward by Mr. Adam Khoo as well. I picked up this book when I was on holiday in Kuala Lumpur. I went to the bookstore and this is the book that came up. So I couldn't find this book in Australia. You can't get these books in Australia. You can only get them in Asia somewhere. So it looks like it's a self-published book, and yeah, it's really good for people who are just starting out in Forex. So I would recommend this book for people who don't know anything about Forex and wants to start it as a business, because as you go deeper and deeper into Forex, you need to learn a lot about, you know, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, a lot of technical analysis, really deep. But this book starts with the fundamentals of what is Forex, and you know, how can you make money from it as a startup business as well, and also, you know, how you can make money on your part-time as well. So on the back it says, you will learn how to build a multi-million-dollar network from Forex market by discovering why Forex trading is an ideal business, how to distinguish yourself from, okay, you got psychology of successful traders. Trading Forex is very psychologically intensive, because when you make a loss, it can really affect you emotionally. I remember when I was trading Forex and I made a loss in the morning, and it really messed up my thinking throughout the day. So psychology is a big part, because if you don't handle your losses well, you take revenge on the market, and then, you know, it stuffs up your trades. So let's have a look at the table of contents. So you've got table of contents is chapter 1, so you want to be a Forex millionaire. Chapter 2, trading currencies as a business. Chapter 3, currency market demystified. So in this chapter he covers what is the currency market, and then chapter 4, why technical analysis, and then chapter 5 he goes into some techniques in which you can actually take and apply some techniques to make money in Forex. Chapter 6 is minimal risk, maximum profit. So this is all about risk reward ratios. So in this chapter he talks about placing a 1-to-1 risk ratio. So let's say that I risk $50, I would make $50 from that trade, or lose $50. Chapter 7 is psychology of successful traders. So this is the part where he covers you know, the mindsets of people who trade very well on the Forex market. So the book comprises of lots of pictures and very easy to read content. So I'll show you an example. So he uses nice little icons and pictures there. Makes it a lot more interesting. It's not boring. You can tell that this is a self-published book. It's really great. Shows you some examples there through pictures. I like it when people use pictures like that, because it makes it look so much easier to understand. All right. Then he goes into analysis of different types of Forex charts there, as you can see there. So he talks about the indicators and also support lines and resistance lines, which is very important. He does an introduction to what is technical analysis. So once again, this is great for new people as well entering the Forex market. He talks briefly about chart patterns. So as you can see a chart pattern there, you got double downs and double tops as well. And if you see these type of patterns in the market, you know some sort of big reversal is going to happen. So personally, I'm not too good with these chart patterns, because I'm really good with the candlesticks. So it really depends on what you're doing. Obviously he goes through and uses EMAs. EMAs are really good indicators to see profit opportunities in the Forex market. In this book, what's his name? Yeo Keong Hee. He also covers different. He also covers a bit of fundamental analysis as well. So this part, it took me a while to understand this one, but he talks about the CFTC, which is the Commitment of Traders Report. Now this helps you indicate the type of moves that's going to affect a particular type of currency. So you can see there, he's got, what he does is he looks through these reports, and he can analyze what type of movements is going to happen in the market. So by reading through these reports, you'll be able to see, you know, whether you should make the trade on going long or going short. So I thought that was pretty interesting. It's a bit like the non-farm payroll, NFP, and in this one I think it's a pretty good strategy, I guess. So yeah. So overall, and also there's also another chapter there, which is the psychology of successful traders. He goes on and talks about lots of the thinking techniques of successful traders, and you can apply this into your life as well. So overall, I think this is a really great book, Secrets of Forex Millionaires. It's a really good book for people who have no clue or know nothing about Forex. It's a great introduction, just covers everything, gets straight to the point, and I think it's a good book if you're just starting out. If you want to go more advanced, check out my other videos for my other book reviews on Forex. But this one's a really good book. It has the Asian theme to it, and I think that personally, I think Forex is the way to go to earn some part-time cash flow as well. So this is a great book. Go check it out if you're in Asia somewhere. It might be in the bookstores there, but I haven't been able to find this in Australia. So it's a good book. Check it out. Secrets of Forex Millionaires. Thanks.